All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by for another video today. Had a little 3-hour project after work today, so I wanted to give you guys a little video of what I did. This is how it started out, with the little piece of sheetrock on the wall with the plug down there and the plug-in switch right there. So I started by taking off the sheetrock, just unscrewing all those screws and taking off the plate covers. And this is what it looks like on the inside. There was already a hole down below, so that was nice, so I didn't have to drill another hole through the floor. And I accidentally picked up a 25-foot roll of UF wire instead of 50-foot. So my friend I was helping out went back to the store to get a roll of 50-foot. So that was my bad. So anyways, this is where I will be running the wire, pointing it along the dirt, and then drilling a hole through the side of the shed right here. So basically what I was doing was running power from one shed to the other shed, adding a couple plugs and a light switch for a light. So the plugs are for charging this golf cart and whatever else they want to use it for. So anyways, here's the switch box, and then while my friend ran to the store, I went ahead and got started by mounting all this other stuff as best as I could, which turned out to be right on time when he got back. So I started out by drilling a hole and doing some 1/2-inch PVC, which was just for getting the wire from outside from the dirt into the shed. Obviously that has to get dug down because it's at a terrible angle. You probably can't really see it in the video, but it is. So I just using that pipe to get from the shed into over the curb into the dirt, and I just left a coupling right there to make sure it wouldn't fall out, and he might strap that later. But anyways, this is the after product, kind of skipping here because I was working on it. But anyways, got the plugs and the lights working, so I went ahead and mounted the light box up there and then stapled all the wire down, made that all up. And there's my friend, he's like 60, I don't know, he's an awesome dude. So anyways, this was at my old church, helping him out after work. Total about 3 hours going to Home Depot, stuff like that. So it was basically just me and him holding a flashlight for me sometimes. But anyways, got the UF wire going underground, so he's gonna bury that tomorrow. He's retired and stuff like that. So anyways, keeps him busy, and so I didn't want to dig anyways. But anyways, ran that wire underneath of this old shed where the power comes in right there through that 90, and then tied that into this plug that was already there, and that's pretty much it. So basically just put the sheetrock back on and the cover on after that to complete it. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Sorry if it was not the best video, but basically I was getting some video footage before I started, when I started, and then basically I was already done. So apologize that it just kind of skipped right to the end and I didn't really get a good chance to record it because I was trying to record it over this dude's shoulder without him really knowing. So anyways, not that it would have really been a big deal or anything, but that's just all the footage that I got. So hopefully it wasn't too bad, and a little fun project to help him out after work. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed, and that's why the first video from today as an electrician was late, because I was working on that, taking a shower, uploading the first video, uploading the second video. Now I'm going to upload a third video for the giveaway because I hit 4,000 subscribers. So super appreciate that, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It would help out the channel. I'd love to see you guys back here in the next video. Don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. I'm going to be doing a live stream here in like 20 minutes, and that'll do it. Thanks, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Peace out.